How to know when you posted a reel on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, what you need to do is just go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Reels button, which is the middle icon over here. Then you can just go to any of the reel that you want to know when you have posted. So just go to any reel over here, and what you have to do is you can just see the option of three dot here. Tap on it, then you can see the option of view insights. So just tap on view insights, and here you can see the option and the date when you have uploaded or when you have posted a reel. So it's on 23rd of June and it's a 4 seconds duration of the video. Now go back, and the next easiest way to do is go to your post and then tap on the reel that you want to see the duration or the time when you post it on Instagram. So just scroll down and you can see the option of the date as well over here at the bottom of the post. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.